The Learned Society of Wales is our national academy for the arts and sciences. We bring together researchers with a connection to Wales from all disciplines to make Wales and the world a better place.
We have over 600 fellows who are amazing experts in a whole range of different areas of research. All of this is something that we want to celebrate and to use and to really make the most of Welsh research. What Wales is brilliant at is impact. So using excellent research, but then turning that into things that have an impact on the real world, people's real lives, whether it be to do with climate change and the environment, helping the NHS, or things that are helping businesses grow. Having an interdisciplinary and Pan-Wales fellowship gives real benefits. We really want to connect people, and that's what's going to be crucial to solving some of the really big challenges.
One of the ways the Learned Society connects people is through our Early Career Researchers Network. This national network is aimed at anyone starting a career in research or starting to collaborate on research. It covers all academic disciplines and universities in Wales, as well as researchers in the third sector, government and industry. We organise seminars, workshops and conferences to promote knowledge exchange and collaboration between members of the network and with our fellows. This helps make Wales a uniquely exciting place to be a researcher.
There is a really direct connection between the government, the universities, employment and your own colleagues. That affords you a wide and active network. So we are constantly being supported to join networks, to be part of collaborating, to come up with new ideas, to input, to innovation. That's a vibrant community of individuals working together, and that stimulates you and that makes you feel that there are possibilities, and there are definitely possibilities in Wales.
The multidisciplinary network that we nurture is a powerful resource for industry and policymakers to draw upon.
So one of the things we do really well in Wales is we've got great communications with people like Welsh Government. We've got really good industry contacts, so we really just plug that trifecta of academia, industry and government and really get them communicating with each other. And the Learned Society of Wales has helped do that. It's given us the contacts to do that.
We've got a really inclusive culture and a supportive environment, and what we're doing through our network is making sure that what we're doing is reflective of a really diverse and inclusive society that we have in Wales, because that's really what's going to make the most difference is that variety of voices, opinions and ways of working. It's that combination of people that really want to make a difference, and it's all about benefiting Wales, the benefit to Wales through learning and through research.